Hi fellas, welcome to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the rookie mistakes you are making on texting, because every day I get a lot of messages from guys. They try to tell me, I've been texting her, she's not responding. I've been texting her, she does this, she takes days without replying, she leaves me on blue tick, she's ghosting me. So I don't know what is happening. So today I'm going to tell you this, and make sure you pay attention up to the end of this video. Hit the subscription button, you won't miss any of my videos, and also Facebook page, like and follow. DM me on Instagram one-on-one. You're not funny at all. So some of you may think that making funny jokes with a girl that can help you to win her. No, that is wrong. It is wrong. There is nothing, something like that make jokes with her that you can win her. And the problem you guys are doing is to try to build a connection on phone. It is wrong. You can never get connected with someone on phone. Like, do like this: text her once or twice a week. Always call with a purpose, and meet up so that you can create a bond of connection. That is when you can create memories together when you're with her. So stop trying to interesting messages. You try to create jokes. She'll send low and try to laugh, those emojis, haha, and you think you have it. So you do it the first day, you do it the second day, or even you can do it for the first week. They will seem that things are working. Attention will start to dwindle down until she stops replying you back, and you start wondering, coming rushing, this media now, what is happening? We used to talk well at the first time, and we used to do this. Yes, you used to do that, but you were trying to create the connection on phone. Stop doing that. The phone cannot help you to build a relationship. Go and meet and make memories together. Try talk to her. Always call once or twice a week. And even when you are calling, make sure that you are telling us something, that we should meet at this place, or come over, I want to show you something, I want us to go on this place. Always. Don't call her every day. Don't text her every day. You are spoiling everything. Even if she had feelings for you the first time, but you over text every day, calling every day, she'll get used to you, and she'll start even like talk to you like anyone else, because you also text like anyone else. Number 2, stop sending paragraphs. What are you trying to do? Sending a paragraph. Are you sending a CV? You want a job? Is it an essay? What is that? So if you're doing that, stop. There is a guy sent a very long message, and I told him, can you forward that to me? Then I saw that he was like, I think I was trying like to make her feel special. You can't send a paragraph. Get busy with your own work. You can even spend a week without texting. So the more you don't text her, she will take time and text you. Have confidence, because because it's always in your mind tells you that if I don't text her, she'll forget about me. There is someone else who will take her. Don't fight to keep her. If she's interested in you, you find her. If she's not interested in you, even if you fight, someone else will take her. So stop sending paragraphs, sending the first message, sending the second, send the first message. And not only that, and you call, she will not pick. So you become more addictive, thinking about her, why she's not, like, she's leaving me, anything I've did wrong. You start calling me, Best Media, now this girl, she's not answering my call. Now what can I do? Which kind of message can I send that will make her come for me, like think about me, something like that. There is nothing like that. There is no magical text that will make a girl come running to you. No, just give her the gift of missing you. Number 3, stop sending voice notes. If you are dating a girl, stop sending voice message. If she has given you the number, call, and if you are talking, don't stay for long. Talk for a moment. After that, switch off. Next time, call her, tell her about when you want to meet, period. Don't send voice notes. There is nothing to help you. Like, voice notes won't help you to get this girl. She will listen to it, she won't reply. Because I've seen guys, because every day, this is what I do, I coach men, is the most complaint I always get. This is what I get most from men complaining. Women, they don't reply them. Women, they ghost them. You understand? So, sending, because you guys, you always want to spend your time on phone, because you want to show her that you are always on your phone, you are busy with your phone. I told you, don't let the device predict how you live your life. In 24 hours, someone can predict what you're doing, because you're always online doing this, posting, going on TikTok, do challenges. No, get busy, read books, take time to build yourself, do things that add value on you. So fellas, in this video, I hope you want to do that mistake again. See you in the next video.